Whoa, Brad, what kind of hole is that right there? What kind of hole is this, ladies and gentlemen? Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a big snake. Anaconda right there.
Where's your clothes at?
Shut up. Do you want me to show everybody on YouTube what I'm wearing?
No.
I'm at home. I can do whatever I want. I was taking a nap. I was in the bed. We're talking about the dog. We're watching the dog. It ain't about me. I can do whatever I want to do because it's my house. I can do it. Okay? Thank you. What was that? He's hunting. I think I'm hunting and I'm going to get right back in this bitch. He says, I want my perimeter to be right around this pond, Dad. Oh, my collar. What are you doing, boy?
Go, come here. Come here, boy.
Y'all thought he was drowning that one time.
Come here. Come on, buddy.
Brad was stripped down to his skivvies.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Chico.
What are you doing? What's that? Get him, boy. Get him.
No, Chico.
What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh! No, don't do that. Get Sadie up here, and that bitch will go all the way around, and he chases her. Oh, it smells like nasty sewer in there. Yes, it does. It's on my arm, my hand. That was your cigarette. You did that. You did that. Jerk off. I was like, oh, that was a fish, but no, it wasn't.
Go.
What is it? Go get it. Go get it.
Over here.
Ta-da. Okay. Don't be mad. I want to get in with him.
Go.
Fuck you.
Go for a lap. Bet you won't.
Clean this bitch out and I'll go for 20 laps.
Right.
No, it's not. Look at that. That is not clean, boys and girls.
Brad, show her how clean it is.
Brad, don't do
It's
nothing.
so clean that I ain't gonna get in it right this second.
If he ain't gonna get in, then that tells you a lot. It ain't
No, I
clean.
just don't want to.
Yeah, it's cold. That's why. Wait till the dead of summer and you get in there. I might too. If I got a pier that juts out to the middle. At Costco, they've got these big old inner tubes. Boy, I was like, Jesse, it'd go right in the middle of there. Perfecto. Yes.
The pond isn't that big.
Well, the inner tube is big, but it's not bigger than the pond.
I know that.
And it fits multiple people in it, and then it's got a little raft where you can put your koozies. It's got koozies all in it for your Cokes. It's really cool. I really want the trampoline thingy that goes in the lake. Oh yeah. On the pontoon. With the trampoline. Sit back watching. Yeehaw. It's going on YouTube, baby. Kelly and I took our pictures in the blue bonnets. What did she say?
Grass stains on the dress.
Oh, I got some on my pants. Not my pants, Aunt Shell's. She's gonna.
That shell's gonna be mad.
I know. I have to get that out before I have to take them back to her. Come on! What is it? What is it? Here! Cheeto! What's that? Come on! What's that?
He wants somebody to get out there and play with him.
I know.
All over it.
Oh, yeah.
We should have let Spot out.